All right, welcome to day 5. Our challenge is kind of coming to a close slowly, but there's still quite a few days left where we can make massive change. So don't slow down now. Before I go into our today's secret, make sure you weigh in below, list off all the days of your weigh-ins of the challenge so far, so we can make sure that we give you support if you need extra support to speed things up, and we can give you some love, give you some glow if you are seeing awesome results. And of course, spread glow. Make sure you are commenting on other women's posts and comments and cheering everybody on as well. Now, secret number 5 is the weight loss cheat code they don't want you to know. So when I was struggling and I had the 80 pounds to lose, I would always go up and down with my weight. It's kind of like an elevator, like up and down and up and down. And I was so many different weights in one year. And I didn't know what was going on, right? Like, why couldn't I just be consistent? Why couldn't my weight just be consistent? What was controlling it? I didn't know. And so I went to the ladies in my gym at the time and I was like, maybe they know something, right? Ladies, like, where are you at? What do you know? And it turns out they were struggling with the same things that I was, right? They were trying all the diets that I tried, but they were still not 100% happy with their health, their body, their toning, their fat, all that stuff. They said they love their curves, right? Like with the hardcore 4 that I developed in the gym and the shape that they were building, they're like, love my curves. I can see some lines on my body now. Love the way my bum's lifted. Love the way my waist shrunk. Like they liked their curves, but they could still grab fat, right? They could grab their tummy, they could grab behind their back, they could grab the bottom of their arms. They still wanted to see progress. And so what I realized in that moment was, okay, so the workouts and the fitness is how you build your shape. Okay, got it. These ladies liked their shape, but they needed more. So I said, okay, what about the fitness side of this? Let me focus on the fitness side. So I started to tackle the nutrition side, did my research, look at all the popular diets out there, what worked, what didn't, what we liked, what we didn't like. And I started playing around and experimenting with myself and the ladies in the gym. And I built out this plan and it, was incorporating thermogenic food and all that stuff. And they started to lose the fat that they wanted. So not only do they have the shape from the fitness, they now had the fat loss from the nutrition. And so it was really, really cool to see that the two together got them the body that they wanted. Now, once this happened, they were on their way. They left the gym because they reached their goal and they were super excited to just go live life, right? But then unfortunately, a couple months later, they walked back through the door and they had gained the weight back. And, I asked them, what the heck happened? I thought we'd figured it out. You reached your goal. How come we went back? And it seemed that fitness is the shape builder, nutrition is the fat burner. Together they get you the look that you want. But if you don't have accountability, a pair of eyeballs watching you, making sure you keep doing what you're doing, making sure your habits become your lifestyle and become as automatic as brushing your teeth, then guess what? You fall back into your old lifestyle because old habits die hard. And so it dawned on me after going through this whole experience that you need all 3 of these pillars to get to your goal fast, and stay at your goal. If you're missing one of these, it's never going to work. And accountability is on the bottom of the pyramid because it is the most important for the stability of your results. You see, everything that's thrown at us in the diet culture is always missing something, right? Like take the keto diet, it's nutrition, but there's no fitness, there's no accountability, right? Take Isagenix, it's nutrition, but there's no fitness, there's no accountability. And gym memberships, it's fitness, no nutrition, no accountability. And even like a personal trainer, that's just fitness. Maybe they tackle your nutrition a little bit. And the only accountability you get really is when your credit card declines and they have to call you. So they've always been missing something. Is this making sense? There's literally been a puzzle piece missing, and we've been banging our heads against the wall thinking, what's wrong with us? What are we doing wrong? When it's not you, it's literally just what you've been trying. What you've been fed in the diet industry has been meant to keep you stuck, and so we've been stuck. And so even, I would look at my weight loss journey, and if I had a wedding that I was going to go to or a vacation to get ready for, I could stick to it and I could lose weight because of the deadline. Or if my husband was on a health kick and we ate the same healthy meals, or I had one of my girlfriends be a workout buddy, we stayed accountable to going to the gym. Like I had these things in my life that would make me stick to my goals more, but I realized it was only acute accountability. It was like short term, right? Once the wedding was done, I was at the dessert table all night at the wedding, so I lost all my results anyway. Or when I was on vacation, I was at the all-you-can-eat buffet going crazy, and I lost all my results. And when my husband stopped eating healthy or was eating a bag of chips on the couch watching TV, I started joining in. Or when my girlfriend's kid got sick and she had to stay home and couldn't go to the gym, I didn't go to the gym. And so it was like this acute accountability that was always external on the wrong, inconsistent things. And so it became so clear to me, and it was evident too as the way that the clients in my gym went about their journey as well. You need somebody whose job it is to watch you, who is always there, who is watching you, who you have to report to, who you don't want to let down, who's going to kick you in the butt when you need it, who's going to cheer you on when you need it. Because the weight loss cheat code that they don't want you to know, that changes everything and keeps the weight off so you stop having to go back and paying for more, is that weight will slide with a guide. If you have the right guide, and I was talking about this in the last one as well, the last video, about having expertise, only taking advice from somebody who's gone through what you're about to go through so they can hit the fast forward button for you. Because that's what this is. If you want to hit the fast forward button, you want to skip all the mistakes, skip all the heartache, skip all the backtracking, and you actually want fast results because Lord knows you've waited long enough for your goals. Am I right? Then you need a coach, because would you rather lose 20 pounds in 20 weeks or 20 pounds in 6 weeks? Big difference, right? Which one would you choose? I know which one I would choose. I want to lose weight quick. And here's the thing, when you have a coach who knows you, who's with you, who can hold your hand every step of the way and guide you and teach you and help you become the master of your body, then the weight literally melts off so fast. Because, I can give you the best workout program and the best meal plan in the world, but if I look away, how long do you actually stick to it until something throws you off? And see, these are results of just 1 week of my clients when they get a coach, right? So 9 pounds in 1 week, 11 pounds, 12 weeks, 8 pounds, 6 pounds, 5 pounds. It's just 7 days when you have a coach, and you can keep these results up, which is so crazy. So at this point, you're probably wondering what happens after the challenge, right? Like I want to keep going. I want to see more results. I don't want to go back to where I was. I need help. I don't want to stop, and I want to make sure I know how to eat long-term and sustainably. And what about cheat meals? And what about vacations and all of this stuff? Well, so then let me ask you a question. I know over all of these days, we've gone through so much information. It can be a little bit of a headache and have all this information swirling in your head. And it would take me hours and hours to explain to you how to go about doing this for yourself and customize everything going forward. So do you want help implementing the secrets that I've gone over in this challenge? Do you want help implementing, creating this new identity and relabeling yourself so you believe that you can achieve your goal? Help implementing the right macronutrients and thermogenic food without having to track or do this or do that or cook different meals for your family? Do you want to know how to work out properly without spending hours in the gym or hurting yourself or needing the equipment? Do you want to learn how to be able to keep going on your journey without motivation? And do you want to know what it's like to actually work with a coach one-on-one so you cannot fail? If you want help for the next step in your journey post-challenge, then I invite you into our 6-week Trim Time Academy. Now, this academy is unlike anything I have ever seen before. Okay, it is using our Trimera method for weight loss. And what this is on the fitness portion, okay, it's our trim tone technique. So these workouts that we're going to be building just for you and your body, they're done anywhere, anytime. Maximum results, minimal time, anything you like, nothing you don't like. We're going to tone your targeted area. You want to get rid of that mom pooch? We got you. You want to get rid of those chicken wings under your arm that jiggle? We got you. And it's for any starting level, any injury, any medical condition. We got you. Imagine fitness made easy. Imagine that. Maximum results, minimal amount of time, and you don't have to worry. You don't have to Google. You don't have to go on YouTube. You don't have to worry about, is this going to work? Should I even try it? It's going to be perfectly catered to your body, your needs, and that shape you have in your mind. What are you envisioning you look like? Let's start building that now. We target nutrition as well. So with our Trim Taste formula, we have done for you meals. We give you what, when, how much to eat. Okay, we're going to specifically boost your metabolism, because at this point, it's probably asleep, maybe even dead. We're going to stay away from anything you don't like. We're going to incorporate just the things you do like, so you actually enjoy it. You look forward to your food. It's picky eater approved. We teach you how to incorporate cheat meals, what to do if we've even had ladies lose weight while they were in Disney World on this plan. So super easy nutrition, made fast, simple, and tasty, so it's good for the whole family. You're not spending hours in the gym. We're teaching how to meal prep in just 20 minutes. It's crazy, okay? And then on top of that, we are also adding in extreme accountability with our Trim Touchpoint system. So you have one-on-one coaching. So every single day, you and your coach are communicating. Every day, you can't get away from us. Imagine that. Imagine that. So your very own expert that's like on call, like your pocket coach for when you need it. Video chats, so you're always staying connected. A kick in the butt when you know you need it. Guidance through when life doesn't go perfect. Guidance through when you want to learn how to eat at restaurants or you have events coming up. It's your pocket cheerleader. Okay. And you get all of this in your 6-week Trim Time Academy. And the cool part is it's such a customized, intensive approach to weight loss that on average, our ladies are losing 20 pounds in just 6 weeks. We had 22 pounds, 23 pounds, 20 pounds, 21.8, 23.4, 20 pounds. So this is fast weight loss. And I know you might be thinking, oh my gosh, is that healthy, right? Like if the faster I lose weight, not the faster I gain it back. That's not true. When it's customized and it's perfectly built for you, your body, your lifestyle, your body wants to get it off you. Your body wants to drop the weight so quickly. And when it's done healthy, it can be done fast. And so Jasmine was able to lose 23.8 pounds. Anna was able to lose 21.1 pounds. Karen, 21.3 pounds in her 6 weeks. Liz, 23.4 pounds in her 6 weeks. And so where would that put you? 6 weeks from now, if you lost 20 pounds, what would that number be on the scale? I want you to think about it. I want you to get excited, smile, because you're closer than you could have ever imagined. You've just not been having the right tools. And so, if you are interested in learning more about our 6-week Trim Time Academy, what it entails, how to sign up, there's a link in the description of this video. You're going to click that link, fill out your information, and book a call with one of our experts where we'll go over everything you need to lose those 20 pounds in 6 weeks. Because what is your goal worth to you? You started this challenge for a reason. You have this goal for a reason. What is your why? Why must you be healthy? Why must this time be different? Why must this work? There's no going back. You are worth it. Your goal is worth it. And a goal without a plan is just a wish. A goal without a plan will always be the same goal. Are you tired of having goals? The same goal? Are you ready to finally crush your goal and get past it once and for all? And step into that new, healthier, cuter, sexier, toned version of you? The one that can walk into a room with her chest held high? The one that has this contagious energy that everybody stares at and knows? The one that, your kids can't keep up with you. You've got so much energy. You can wear whatever cute clothing you want, not just what fits or what's comfortable. The one where you're actually living your best life in the present moment, not always thinking about how good it would be if you could lose the weight. If you are ready to finally change, then your trim task for today, very simple. You click that link in the description and you book a call to learn more about that 6-week Trim Time Academy. Now, that is our day 5 coaching call for today. Okay, you do have day number 6 tomorrow. Make sure you're tuning in. We've still got tons of secrets, and there's still time to see tons of scale and non-scale victories. So make sure that your foot is on the gas, not on the brake. We still want to finish strong. So tomorrow we're going to go over secret 6, which is the ancient warrior tactic used to win wars and lose weight.